Delilah, do you have a doctor's appointment tomorrow? What did mommy say? You can't do this tomorrow. Okay? Nothing? You're not gonna do that tomorrow? Okay? No, no, no. I said no. You don't do it. No, baby, no. No. When we go to the doctor, you don't do that, okay? No, Delilah. No, no, stop. No. Good girl.